We would definitely recommend the upgrade for the KEL-TEC SUB 2000. It worked really nice and improved the trigger tremendously.
Go.
We're good. Okay, here we go. We're going to be loading up this Glock magazine here real quick, but not to shooting a Glock. We're going to be shooting a KEL-TEC SUB 2000 Gen 2 today. And yeah, it's going to be a lot of fun. We did a lot of modifications to it. If you can tell, it has a double finger cocking handle here. Also, we put a trigger kit in it as well, and also it has an extended magazine release. So we're going to be trying this out today. What else?
Trigger and takedown latch.
Oh, but wait, there's more. It also has a trigger. The trigger and takedown latch is actually metal, so this is a metal replacement for it. So we're going to try it out today and see how it does. Okay, but first I got to load up this magazine here. Dad, hold this for me. Thank you. Load up this magazine. Yeah, we're real pros. What?
No. Just want to see if it's loaded.
I should have thrown it at you. That's what I should have done.
It's good loading.
Thanks. All right, it's ready to rock, Doc. All right, so here we are. We're about to put the magazine in and load the first round and see how it goes. I'm gonna be shooting at that plate down there, so expect to see a bunch of little holes in it in a second. You ready?
Ready.
Okay.
I see one big ragged hole.
All right, that was good. Shot great. We would definitely recommend the upgrade for the KEL-TEC SUB 2000. It worked really nice and improved the trigger tremendously.
Way back here. Off into sunset.